What it do, flight crew? FTC. Flight team stand up! I still ain't sober. It's October. Hey, man, we back in the NFL reactions, man. Now, we still don't have the full permission to react to full game highlights just yet. But we can still react to comps of NFL, man. And we shouldn't even be no longer pressed back. Because I was honestly just waiting until I was trying to get the thing. But they're still just moving slow. But we can't be moving slow. You know what I'm saying? We gotta, it's just, I don't got time to wait. You know what I'm saying? I gotta watch my football too. It's been a void I've been missing in the reaction. I'm just like, bro, I need my football reactions. I just can't. All right, so look, man. Shout out to man Dane Productions. We back at it again. We have NFL press the wrong button moments. All right, so I'm trying to figure out how can you press the wrong button. Maybe they're talking about pressing the wrong button when it comes to like trying somebody or something. But I don't know how you can, a controller is involved, or I don't know. See what it is. All right, that's what I did.
Able to find Vernon Davis, who is going to go up and over Mukamara, and Mukamara said, you know what, I'll just back up. Instead of
Bro, you just hurdled for no reason. Oh no, bro, this is what people be making. Who is this? Oh, I don't even know who that. Oh, that's Marshall, Brandon Marshall, bro. You got a good legacy, bro. No, bro, this is, you went out sad with this one, bro. This is low IQ at its finest, fam. Bro, Brandon Marshall's actually good. This is when he played for the Jets, he was just already, you know, like washed up and trash. But when he was with the Bears or Broncos, one of those teams, I forgot because they had the same jerseys. I always freaking get them mixed up. But bro, he was a boss. You know what I'm saying? Don't get it twisted. You know what I'm saying? Low key, like, my player build skill when I played football back in the day in 7th grade when I didn't have the cameras on, I was Randy Moss / Brandon Marshall when it came to playing wideout. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just didn't have the cameras on to just display. But I'm just trying to tell you, bro, that was just not smart. I never did stuff like this. Ever. Never, bro. This is why players, like, be afraid to lateral it back, bro. But this is a no-no. Why would you do that? What were you trying to do there, bro? Wilson and Russell. Oh! Slipping and sliding. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. This is what, you Seahawks fans, this is what y'all like? Tom Brady never did this. Lamar Jackson never did this. You know what I'm saying? There's a list of quarterbacks that never did this. Cam Newton will never do this. Like, the Patriots. Oh! Safety. Better than a touchdown. Who this?
Jared Brown running out of the pressure.
The hell is that?
Like Michael Vick. Jared Brown.
Yo! He looked like when you play, if you play Madden, and you know when you're running with the ball, and like you're playing defense, you chase somebody, you press square, and they tackle him, and it's just like a Superman dive. Yo! Man, what was he doing? What the fuck? Bro, what were you trying to do? I'm dead. Who are you throwing to, Casper? Bro, I can get a contract to play in the NFL right now. I mean, 4th and 3. Dalton to Vandy. So why is there nobody quarterback? I literally can get a quarterback contract right now in the NFL. You know what? I was going to say something, but I've never seen that before, bro. I swear to you, I've never. That was low-key some IQ shit right here. If you're peeping game right here. Now, it depends if they're about to lose a game. Like, if it's like going into halftime, or it's just like third quarter, and they're like, you know what I'm saying, by the game and everything like that. It's like an even game. Like, the fact that they knew that they wasn't going to be able to get the field goal off because of, like, their malfunction, and he decided to punt the ball, and now the opposite team has bad field position instead of getting field position right there, bro. Bro, that's like low-key IQ of the damn century right there, bro. A century's like 100 years, right? I've never seen that before, bro. That was actually some smart shit. Because you gave up now your opponent's on a 1 yard line now instead of a 30 or 40. Why would you do that? Is that when Vic was on the Eagles? Oh, I mean, it was like 4th down probably, right? If it was 4th down, it made sense.
Picked off. How sloppy was that? Corey Littleton with the intercept. And he breaks a couple of tackles. And Boston
Ooh! Ooh! Who was that?
Boston Scott.
He spun for no reason, but it just kind of looked nice. I don't know why.
He threw for Ike Hilliard, and Amani Toomer was way.
What? Oh, he fumbled. Cover up that ball. Oh! What a dumbass, bro.
Oh, Smith wasn't ready.
Press the wrong button. Bro, I'm so glad Madden does not put in like the missed time punts. Like they'll have a punt. I mean, not a punt, but a snap. They'll have a snap sometimes when it's a little bit too high or low, but they won't ever do that. What the hell was that? When press secure tackle. What the fuck? What a dumbass. Who? Oh shit. Oh my gosh. That was dumb. 4th and 5. What the hell was that? Bro, sign me to the NFL for a quarterback position, bro. Oh, is that Ed Reed? That boy Ed Reed. Oh, it's okay. Hey, Ed Reed's a legend. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. Who's got it? It's all good. Ed Reed's a legend. Miami Hurricanes. What they talking about?
And he just has to throw it away. Of all things, not ready for the same score. O.J. McDuffie. Well, a little tightrope there. I'm going in. No, you're not. Nice play by Tommy.
Damn, I forget this commentator's name. He's actually one of my favorites with the NFL. I forget his name. The one I was just commentating that one. And I like Gus Johnson a lot too.
From the 16. Here's Prescott. Freedom in the pocket and now running with it. Leaping. 2-yard shot.
Wait, was that one dude that got injured that y'all had me react to on stream?
Just down at 8 seconds left. No, you can't do that. That was 4th down. 4th down.
Oh my gosh, what a dumbass. He downed it and lost track. You know what's funny? I did it in Madden before.
And he threw it and it got picked midfield.
He probably just lost track of the game.
Peters returns it. And he'll come around the right side and Ted Ginn.
Oh, what you know about Ted Ginn Jr.? Buddy was low-key like a 4-3. Damn, hella face mask.
Comes in, he's got him.
43. Oh my gosh, what an idiot, bro. Damn, tackle him. These dudes can't tackle. Hey, nice pick. My type of pick. Who is he throwing to? Man, Brown was... Bro, I can't just give you a school threat badge. I cannot just give you a school threat badge, Antonio Brown, bro. You have a Hall of Fame Menace to Society badge, bro. This is Hall of Fame Menace to Society badge at its finest, bro. You have reached a different tier, bro. This man said, damn it, I mistimed my hurdle, so let me just kick him, bro. Come on, fam.
Offense. Pressure coming. Goff on the move. That's the throw. And the Bills with a great defensive stop on a 4th and 4 to New England. Brady, he's going to get
Brady, I hate when he does that.
It's intercepted. Brendan Ian, but throws back to the quarterback.
Wow, Dalton of Andy? Really?
Yard line. to the end.
Oh, imagine letting him run it back.
Alex Singleton.
Who are you throwing to?
And the ball is handed off to Brandon Cook.
I like the effort though.
By McLeod.
He just jumped too early.
Sweeping the Jets for the first time since 2009. 4th and 6 at Fitzpatrick. Intercepted by Tony Lippett. You get it.
Hey man, that's what Capital Opposition, man. Capital Rats, this man on the road to 3 million.